Yo you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have this digital camera which is trying to look like an old camera from back in the days, and apparently it's 4K. I'm not sure about that. We're gonna have a look and try to figure that out. First look, there's the manual, there's some other goodies. What do I have here? There's the random charging, docking station. We have some extra goodies in here. Let's see what we have. There's cables, extra batteries. What over here? An SD card which has 32GB. So at least some extras, I would say. But let's actually have a look at the main part of this order, which is the camera itself, which comes in this box in a little bag. Probably to store it. I'm not sure if that's gonna protect it well from anything, but whatever. And here we have the camera, which is, as I said, trying to look like an old camera from back in the days. There's nothing to actually move, it just tries to look like it, and this doesn't move either, so yeah. Then we have the LCD screen, which is actually movable, so we can or could attempt to at least try and take a selfie, I would guess. Besides that, what else we have? Let's go where the batteries go. Okay, there's already one in here, so we're not gonna bother about that and hope it's pre-charged. And over here we have a slot for a microphone and USB and an HD cable. So also some ways to actually connect this device. And I would say we try and power that on. Okay, it is pre-charged. We are welcomed by welcome. And here we have the display itself, which looks not bad. We have this zoom feature here, which looks not too bad, to be honest. I can actually see the little parts of the pattern of the mat, which is more impressive than I thought it would be, to be honest. I'm not sure if that is actually 4K. It's for sure HD, but 4K, I wouldn't count on that 100%. Let's see what we have here. Menu. We can actually choose different options. Selfie timer, exposure, white balance, quality. Let's check that. Okay, they aren't even telling or saying it's 4K. They say it's super fine and normal. So that's interesting. Seems like they know it's not actually 4K, so they have different words for it, but whatever. Let's see, what do we have for mode? Okay, we can switch the modes. Fast and easy, setup, languages, there's a whole bunch of options. So yeah, I would say it's not bad. I would say it's definitely not like the best camera out there for sure, but if you want something, yeah, small, kind of like nostalgic, this could be an option, I would say. But you have to decide yourself. I just thought it looked cool, that's why I got it, and I wanted to give it a try, and that's gonna be it for today.